Hello and welcome to my channel, RM Slot Cars. This will be my first unboxing and I have a couple of cars that are not new or very common in the slot car collection in the US. I know I need a better camera setup and lights, but this will have to do for now. I'm not a car guy, but I do appreciate a car design and history. I only been into slot cars for about 6 months and my focus has been on the track. Not scenics, but more into creating a good flow with the available space. I'm having a hard time finding cards that I like. I appreciate the details and quality of the available slot cards, but not any that I must have. I have a few Carrera Digital, GTs, and DTN that came with the sets, and I only got a 4 GT40 from Slotted that I enjoy and like to drive. So far, all cars are fun to drive. For the time being, I'm only looking for the type of car I just got, and I'm sure I will expand the collection, but this is what I found most appealing right now. All right, now let's start the unboxing. And as I mentioned, this is probably not the best way to unbox it, so I'm gonna have to do it a little bit outside the camera and then move the cars into focus. Okay, I think this will work much better. So let's see what we have on this first envelope. Looks like, right, oh, cool. All right, and here we go. So this is the team slot. Okay, this way might be work better. There we go. So this is the 1992 Toyota Celica or Celica that was driven by Carlos Sainz in the Safari Rally, I guess Kenya, and he won in this car and later the actual championship. So this is a pretty cool car. Don't have a lot of reference on the team slot quality of the slot cars, but um, this is really nice. uh, Model for sure, and well, we'll see how the how it performs the track. But yeah, there's a lot of detail. Let's see if this camera. So it has the extra protection, the snorkel, which is only my understanding is that these cars were unique for the Safari rallies, so they have some extra chokes and extra body protection for sure. So yeah, this is really, really cool looking car. So I'm gonna see it running, and yeah, I will show that. I don't know if it's in this video, but pretty soon for sure. All right, let's put this aside for now. And I do have another one here. And as you can see from the theme of the first one, yeah, I'm gonna be getting rally cars, or at least for the time being. So let's see. Oh, hey, and this is an Scalextric one. This is the Ford Fiesta RS WRC. I'm not sure. You can see what year this was racing or not, but anyways, looks pretty cool. Uh, I believe the Celica have never been on a track, maybe. This one was sold as a used vehicle, slightly used, and yeah, it has some weather looking details. So it's a pretty also cool looking car. I don't see any defects at all. So looks like only have a couple of things, standard extra brakes and that. So it's complete. It's just apparently was lightly used according to. So let's take it out of here for a second and see a better Here it is. It's a Abu Dhabi rally. I haven't done a lot of research on this guy, but it's pretty cool. He has the obviously driver, co-driver in there. Need to change my monitor setup so I can see it better when I move it. So okay, so it looks like you can run digital. Oh, it's a Sidewinder motor, so that's cool. Ford Fiesta RS WRC Hornby, no year, but I might do more research on this little guy. So tires look definitely not brand new, it's being used. So I'll have to do some tuning. Feels pretty solid car, so that's cool. So all right. And this guy has a screw, so I need a screwdriver. Hold on a second. All right, maybe a little overkill, but this we'll have to do. Just gonna go manually because I don't wanna damage or force anything. Okay, so yeah, definitely not a new one. This is a 4x4 car. I did not know that. It has a, let's see if you guys can see it here. So both, so it is in line with four-wheel drive. That's cool. Again, didn't know. And I mean, looks like there's a little bit of use, but not something that it shows a lot. So that's pretty cool. It's still pretty cool, neat little car. I know that Team Float has a brand new line of rally cars. I think there's a similar Celica in the roster, but I don't know what the difference. Well, that's pretty cool. All right. So here are the cars. I will be doing some testing and probably have them a quick run. I'm not gonna do it in this video. That was just part of the unboxing part. So if I find anything more interesting, I'll might either expand it or do a new video. So thanks for watching. I think I'm just gonna call it for this video right now. I will try to do some more. There's a couple other things that I want to do for the channel, so well, hopefully you guys enjoy it. And well, thanks, and until next time, bye.